Hello everyone, my name is Jakpal. Today in this video, I will be discussing with you about Power BI Report Server and its comparison with Power BI Service. Now, both are a very important feature in Power BI, but the purpose for which they are used are quite different. It's very important for a business to understand when is Power BI Report Server needed, vis-a-vis when is Power BI Service is going to be the most important fit. So let's try to understand this in more detail. And to start, I have tried to find this information direct from the source. It is available on Microsoft Docs, as I typically do, because I always try to reach out to the manufacturer of product so that I can provide the latest information through my videos. So let me straight away take you through that particular link from Microsoft Docs. I will also be sharing that link with you in the description below so that you can refer to it and can get to know more about the difference in features of Power BI Report Server and Power BI Service. So just to first to understand the comparison between Power BI Report Server and Power BI Service, we should first try to understand in brief about what is Power BI Report Server. So Power BI Report Server, as we understand today, it is like the server which is available on premises to store all your reports. So it is like within your firewall and you have a report server which you are using. But then Power BI Service is a Power BI service on cloud. It is software as a service which is available on the web by Microsoft, and it is not related to on premises. We will try to understand it in comparison. So that is a key difference between Power BI Report Server being an on-premises and Power BI Service is on cloud from Microsoft. So to get into detail of each of these features, I will not go into much detail. I think that is, I will take you through the basic and the most common features and the difference between them, which you can easily understand and can make use of in your practical world to solve your problem with business intelligence. So the first feature is analyze in Excel. So Power BI Report Server. So whenever you create your report, you cannot analyze that particular report in Excel when you're using Power BI Report Server. But yes, but whenever you create any report in Power BI service, you can get that into Excel and can analyze it on your own. So that feature, that's one key difference. Second is about deployment. As I mentioned, Power BI Report Server is deployed on premises or hosted cloud. When it says hosted cloud, it's like on virtual machines. As it explains here, Power BI Report Server can be deployed in Azure virtual machine, which is hosted cloud, if licensed through Power BI Premium. So this means you should have Power BI Premium, or you should have SQL Server Enterprise with software assurance if you want to use Power BI Report Server. Now, Power BI Service is completely a cloud feature. Okay, and data sources, there is no difference in data sources. Like for Power BI Report Server, you can use data source from cloud or on premises, but same thing here in Power BI Service, you can use cloud or on premises. License, as I mentioned, for you to use Power BI Report Server, you should have Power BI Premium account or SQL Server Enterprise Edition with software assurance. But for you to use Power BI Service, you should have either Power BI Pro or Power BI Premium feature. Now you can also use Power BI free of cost, and that if you have a work or a school email account, and I also have prepared another video on that, how to create a free account for a Power BI, just to get started with it. There's another video. I will also be pasting the link for that video in the description below. The life cycle, because for Power BI Report Server, life cycle is like, you have a typical on-premises application which you use. You will have regular updates, patches getting from Microsoft. But then Power BI Service, there is no concept of you installing and upgrading it, because it's a fully managed service by Microsoft. Microsoft will be using at the back end. Release cycle 3 times a year, so there are different releases Microsoft provides to upgrade it. But here, because the managed service, Microsoft manages at the back end once a month. The composite model, you cannot use multiple databases as a source in Power BI server, report server, but in service, Power BI service, you can actually connect with multiple data sources. Here, the content packs available in Power BI service, but then there is no content packs available, right? So it connects to services like Salesforce. Both can be used to connect to Salesforce, create Power BI reports in Power BI desktop. Both can be used for with Power BI desktop, Power BI reports in browser. So now you cannot create Power BI reports in browser for report server, but yes, in Power BI service is completely cloud based. You're doing it in browser. Now here's another difference. Like, you cannot create a dashboard in report server, unlike you have dashboard visualization available in Power BI servers. And you have distribute group of reports using apps. So you can also distribute reports by creating apps out of them, so that user can have a mobile apps, can really get the refresh reports. And that feature is available on Power BI servers, but it's not available on Power BI report server. Now, whenever gateway required for Power BI report server, there's no gateway required, because you can simply make a connection with your data source, which can be on cloud or on premises. But for you to connect to your data source from Power BI service to your on-premises data source, you should have a gateway. So there is another feature like host and connect to Power BI shared data set. You cannot use shared data sets which can be used with no more than one reports in case of Power BI report server, but you can definitely use shared data set in Power BI servers. Q&A feature is kind of not available on Power BI report server, but it is available on Power BI service. So quick insights, like, you also have an option to get a quick insight, like what can be a good report out of the data. You can actually get insight. It's a wonderful feature available in Power BI servers, but this feature is not available on Power BI report server. Paginated reports can be created on both Power BI report server and Power BI service. And paginated report is like, you have this arrow here, and you have a report on the screen, like you click on arrow, you go to next screen, you click on arrow, you go to next screen. That is called paginated reports, and they can be created in both Power BI report server and Power BI service. Then Power BI mobile apps are available on both report server as well as Power BI service. So that is how you can really find out the various features available in Power BI report server and Power BI service, and can always make use of both of them as per your need. Because as it clearly states, for you to start with Power BI report server, you should have either a Power BI premium account, okay, or you should have SQL Server Enterprise Edition with software assurance, unlike a Power BI service. So think of a license and then other features which are available, do a comparison and see what is best for you, and make a decision for yourself. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have found it helpful, please like it and share it with others, so that it can help others too. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.